Hello and welcome back to another Coder Kitty Decodes LSL. Today we are going to go over the last handler in the standard starter script, which is touch start. This is actually a pretty straightforward and simple handler. It just needs to have an integer logged, which is defaulted to total number. This is because LSL is capable of registering multiple clicks to the same object. There are times that you have to specify which click you're dealing with, in which case it's usually going to be 0. Otherwise, it would have to be, if multiple people are clicking this at the same time, then take the second or the third. The times you would need to do that are very few and far between. It does have a little corollary that's worth knowing about, which is touch end. And this triggers when you release your click on an object. So and because I actually deleted the object that I made that with, we're just going to copy this real quick, since I did not think far enough ahead. So we're going to demonstrate this right quick. And that is because I misspelled integer. Don't mind my occasional screw up there. So we click and it says touched. I release the click, it says released. That's really all there is to that. You can utilize touch start and touch end as a way to do long clicks as opposed to short clicks, or any other type of situation where you're more concerned with when somebody lets go than when they start. Briefly, a quick example of a long click. It involves another function that I'm not going to explain in detail in this episode, but I probably will cover in the next one, just so that you can see how it works. Set timer event 1, integer time equals 0. If not everything I'm putting in here makes a lot of sense right now, don't worry about it. This is just a demonstration for anybody that's been at this for a bit, that would benefit from an example of what to do with a touch end. If time is greater than 4, do that. Time equals 0. And all right. Now I click it, nothing visible happens. I hold the click for a moment, I let it go. Nothing happens because I didn't keep it long enough. But 1, 2, 3, 4, and just a little bit more for certainty. Release, and it goes off. So that's just a quick example of something that you can do with touch end combined with touch start, and pretty much covers the touched handlers. So that's it for this particular little mini episode of Coder Kitty Decoded. Again, this is my short series explaining the commands and event handlers of LSL. I have another series, Coder Kitty's Workshop, where I go into longer detail on how to make different things so that you can learn how all these different pieces of code fit together. In the workshop, every lesson is a project and every project a lesson. In Decoded, it's just a quick look at each individual piece. So, hope to see you back. Workshop episodes released Tuesdays at noon Eastern Standard Time, and Decoded episodes Wednesdays at noon Eastern Standard Time. We also have a Discord. Links for playlists and the Discord channel are, as always, in the description. Good day, good luck, happy coding. Meow.